Looking to buy your dream home? Don't take chances, get peace of mind with Elite Group Inspections. As the most reviewed inspection company in Southern California, Elite Group Inspections is trusted by home buyers throughout the region. Our certified inspectors provide thorough home inspections covering over 1,800 items from the plumbing, heating, electrical, roof, foundation, and grounds. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and comprehensive service. Our detailed reports, complete with infrared scans, ensure you understand every aspect of your potential new home. Plus, with our post-inspection warranties, you can move forward with confidence knowing your investment is protected. Why do buyers choose to work with Elite Group Inspections? First off, we complete thorough inspections. We're checking over 1,800 items in the house from top to bottom. Another reason buyers love working with the Elite Group is we use the industry's latest advanced technology. One of the many technologies that we use is infrared. It's an infrared gun and it looks for electrical hotspots, leaks, or moisture that we cannot see with our naked eye. Buyers also love our detailed reports. They're clear, comprehensive, and easy to understand. Elite Group also has post-inspection warranties that add peace of mind to the buyer post-transaction. These cover a general 90-day warranty, a sewer guard warranty, a mold warranty, and a roof warranty. Another reason buyers choose Elite Group is we're the most reviewed inspection company in Southern California with over 10,000 five-star reviews. We encourage you to read some of those reviews. And that's not all. Elite Group Inspections is your one-stop shop for all of your inspection needs. Beyond our standard home inspection, we offer specialized or advanced inspections including termite inspections, mold inspections, roof certification inspections, commercial inspections, and sewer camera inspections. With these specialized inspections, you, the buyer, don't have to make multiple phone calls to tons of different vendors. Simply call the Elite Group Inspections and get it all done. At Elite Inspections, we go beyond the basics to ensure your home is in top condition. Our experienced team will identify potential issues. We will pinpoint the problems before they become costly repairs for you as the new homeowner. Our team also provides maintenance tips. This will help you identify things that need maintenance right now. We'll also provide general maintenance tips so you can keep your home in tip-top shape. We also offer support after the inspection. Your inspector's name and number will be on the front of the report, and anytime you do have a question, you can either call the inspector directly or call our office. We've been here for 40 years and we plan on being here for 40 years more to be here to answer any questions when they come up. Protect your future home investment and make an informed decision. Click now to schedule your Elite Group home inspection. We're proud to serve you and your family in your home buying journey.